Good morning to people in Australia and good evening to people in North America. This is Danish, and we are in weekly chart review, starting with S&P 500 futures. Sorry, I was not able to post anything for the last 2 weeks because I had a very bad throat infection. So S&P 500 had a big move down and then up in this last 2 weeks. It actually tested the big channel from April last year, which it just went down and kind of just bounced back up. And if you let me show, it actually went down for barely 10 minutes, testing the bottom of this channel right here on a 5-minute chart, if you will. Oh, sorry, 20 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that closed below this black line of this channel. It actually tested the black line for 20 minutes and then got a push back up. And ever since then, it has been climbing consistently upwards. Now, this again is a sign of trouble because it is getting overheated too soon. So if you look at it from a weekly perspective, we see consolidation happening right here at 41.53. This is consolidation happening for the last 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 3 before and 2 now, 3 below or at the 41.50 level and 2 weeks above that. So we are going to stay here for a few more days from the looks of it. So that's one thing to be considered. This is a very good thing in a longer term perspective because we are forming a high base. And even on a month, if you look at the monthly chart, this is forming a doji. So this is a consolidation month after a bull run of practically 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So 6 months bull run, and then we have a consolidation candle right here. This candle itself, even though it's red, is still forming a high base. So it did not practically come down, just went sideways to up. So here it's consolidating with a doji on a month, which becomes a very strong support going forward. So I'm assuming if we stay right around here for the next 1 week, June would be a big bull run from here on ES. Quickly going over NASDAQ. Okay, so NASDAQ showed a similar thing. It breached the channel right here, went all the way down to 12,890, 13,000-ish level, and got a pushback right here, right at that time. Push back up, and now we may feel, it getting trapped between this 13,750 level and the sloping line of this channel. So that's NASDAQ. Going to Russell, which has been in a consolidation phase for a very long time, is perfect box. And I had mentioned that until Russell reaches the mid of the green lines of these channels, we will continue consolidating, and that's kind of lining up right now. 2 more weeks to Russell, and by end of June or the end of May, beginning of June, when I anticipate ES to start pushing up, Russell would also start pushing up. I'm sorry, in ES I said we have 1 week left. We have actually 2 weeks left. So 2 weeks here, consolidation in Russell, and most likely we are going to start this kind of crazy bull run again in Russell. So people who are trading with Russell-based ETFs like IWM and TNA, this would be a big upward move for those people. You may choose to ride up naked without having any options on them. Going to Dow Jones, just like ES, this is just consolidating right here. Took support at 34,286, and from the looks of it, the next week it may try to shoot up, but will stay grounded below again 34,800-ish level by this red line of this channel. This would keep it grounded. In a bigger picture, this is still going upwards but consolidating. So up to side is a very good place to be in. And going to HJO, that's ASX for people in Australia. ASX is just consolidating sideways, trying to form higher highs, the higher wicks of these candles, but the bodies are just perfectly sideways. So we are in ASX just below the 100% mark of 2020 highs. So consolidation right here is the precursor to the bull run that will happen once we cross 71.97 on ASX. This would be the beginning of new bull run in ASX. Going to Nifty and India, for people who invest in India, Nifty is just going sideways, even though it breached the channel, it's just tugging along the outer edge of this channel from last year. This is consolidating below 15,173, and that is the line in the sand for now. Once it reaches 15,173, we would see an upward trend and it would actually get back inside this channel. So that's about it for me. You may unmute yourself and ask any questions that you may have.